whenever you do cakes or brownies, it's just a nice little technique to, instead of dust it with butter and flour, dust it with butter and sugar, and you get this like crispy kind of shell on the outside of your cake, brownie, whatever. So you can sprinkle it on tap. This is coconut sugar, which I love because it's got such depth of flavor. Basically anything is more fun and better tasting than white sugar. Thomas Keller's carrot cake recipe.
What's up, Doc?
What's up, Doc? This is Patty. He's from Ireland. And him and I are going to be cooking together every day for 49 days. All right. 180 for 20 minutes or until it reads on a thermometer 90 degrees Celsius, or what is that in Fahrenheit? Just under boiling, so just say 190 Celsius, Fahrenheit. And that's when cake is set and done, and anything after that, you're drying it out, which is not the point. Now, I'm just going to check the temp. This is in centigrade, the only real way to measure temperature. Sorry, America, Fahrenheit is equal parts water, salt, and ice. It's dumb. Yeah, so 92 degrees centigrade, perfectly moist, puffy carrot cake.